Yeah, it's not great.
It looks good from down here, but then it's like,
Did you just go straight up on it?
I used that crimp right above your right hand and pulled up and just went straight up underneath there's a crack right up there to your, yep, or even more so. Yeah. And then right there, it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, for a zero, it's interesting.
that's how the day is gonna go today. I hope not.
There's a two over here too, right?
Yeah, he said that it wasn't great up there.
I went right. I think you go left. I think you just climb back down to the left right here.
Oh, you're saying it now, I'm over here.
Yeah.